Okay, so we got Bitcoin on the daily right here. We have that 4-hour fair value gap that I was speaking about in my past videos. We traded up into that, had the reaction out of it, traded back into it again, filled the whole thing, and came back down again. We're just kind of hanging out around here. We do have this gap down here. Could be the target further down. Not a whole lot of action today. Pretty boring weekend. Still looking really good on the higher time frame. So I would expect it to trade into here. And let's do XRP. XRP looks a little different to me. I think it looks, we are creating a fair value gap right here. Depending on where this, there's still a lot of time in this candle, but could trade up further and close the gap by tagging this, or we leave that open, which means that we're definitely coming down here. I was kind of expecting this anyways. I was even talking to my wife about this. This is previous day's low. Bam, previous day's low. It's gonna want to, it's either just gonna consolidate here. Usually what we'll see is it rip down into this huge area of liquidity right here. It's inefficiency. Boom, and then rip. So it'll pull previous day's low, all these stops that are right there. You know, it could just keep going. It's also creating kind of like this bullish pennant pattern, but like I said, there's a gap here still, so we'll see how that goes. There's a fair value gap right there, an hourly one. So, you know, same kind of stuff, still bullish. Usually things want to come down first and get into these areas where orders, one side was too really quick and the other side couldn't really get a sell in. So anyways, I'm just rambling. Have a good day. I hope you enjoy these. For anybody that watches them, subscribe and like it if you want to, or don't. I don't really care that much. This is really just for personal growth. Honestly, I want to see how well I chart these things and